All right, we're gonna get started on cutting and welding in a new plate around the radio and the dash. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and grind these rivets down, get this plate out of here, see what we're looking like behind it. If I have to weld any more back there, I will, because I've got a radio delete plate I'll put back in there. Let's get started. Okay, here's what we're looking like after I got everything cut out. It's pretty butchered up, so I need to go ahead and get this cut out and go get me a measurement on my radio that's in my 63, my red pickup. Use it as like a big blueprint. So I'll get my measurements and go ahead and get me some more metal and get this cut in and weld it up. Okay, I got more of a square situation to work with, as you can see. So I'm gonna find me some metal, get me a little bend. It's gonna be a little rough to do that, but I'll figure it out. I know they make a piece right here I can order and put in there, but I'm gonna make me something. Let's see what I can find. Here we go. All right, what I did now, went on and run me a piece of tape across the bottom. And grinded that on down, got that all smooth. So I got it all good and squared in real good. Now went on and put me a piece of tape across the top. Got the same measurement there, like 2 3/8, exactly the same. So when I fold that piece of metal, it should work out pretty close. Then I'll just grind till it fits. But I'm gonna go ahead and grind this down flush right here. You can see a little meat right there. I'll take all that off, flush it up, start with a nice square piece. All right, I'm gonna do a nice square piece out of this, 4 inches by 8. Then I'll have something to deal with. Here we go. Okay, now that I got the metal cut into a good square, there it is. I got it to fit this way here, side to side. It fits that way good. So now all I got to do is some bending and carrying on. I'll start with one of the ends, either on the bottom or the top, and just work with it until I get it right, till I get that same little curve right there going. So here we go. Alright, done started another day here. I'm going to take this little bit of metal right here that was cut off the dash, and I'm gonna go ahead and I got a piece of rod here, aluminum I went on and cut, and I'm gonna clamp it to this brake here that I really haven't used yet, and try to get this bent up about the same as that is, and come back and straighten it up and see what happens. So let's meddle with it. Alright, I've done a little practicing on a small piece first to get that bend. I think it's matching up pretty good. What I did, I clamped this aluminum rod down first, clamped it down, put this in here, I don't know which way it was, but I bent it up and got my first roll. Then I come back on this little piece of steel right here, knocked it down. Where's it at? There we go. So yeah, that's matching pretty good. So we'll see what happens, and I'll get started on the bigger piece. And hopefully everything will work out. So let's see what happens. Alright, I'm getting close to get that to fitting with a little bit of help of this, that little flat piece right there, aluminum piece, the round aluminum bar, the clamps, this, that, and that. That was the first piece. It ended up short, so I had to cut another one. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the top here cut off a little bit more so I can get it fit. We'll see what happens. Alright, after getting everything cut in and bent here and there and everywhere, I think I'm going to be alright. I'm going to go ahead and start welding it up real slow to keep from warping anything and go with it. Okay, here's what we're looking at. Got it welded up. Still like a few more spots here. I think it turned out real good. It took me a little while, but it's in there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this square out for the radio and the two knobs. Got the measurements right there off my red pickup. Go ahead and get that cut out, do my body work, get it all sanded in. All right, there we go. Got the body filler on it. Sanded down. Got a few little small spots right here I'll fill in before I do my epoxy. And high build them, then I'll sand it down. Find my highs and lows. But yeah, there we go. I'm going to leave it at that for now. I'll catch y'all next time. Take it easy.